Hi, welcome back to part 3, how to crochet the popcorn pineapple bedspread, part 3. Okay, so this is how it looks like so far. And then we're going to be starting this part. We did the 3 in the middle. Now we're going to do 2, 2, 2, 2. And then we continue doing the decrease of the pineapple. Okay, so I'm just gonna join. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to start our 8th row, and again there's a total of 11 rows, so we're getting close to the end. Like I said, you can do a single or a slip stitch. 1, 2. So we're going to do 2 popcorns in each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to be skipping this part so we can do the middles. So 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, chain in the middle. Again, another popcorn, so making 4 double crochets, 3 and then 4. Back, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to be skipping here. Otherwise there would be too many popcorns to make, so we're going to jump here and then make 2 popcorns. To make 2 popcorns we need to make 4 double crochets for each popcorn to create the popcorn. Back to the corner, picked up the stitch, 2, 3 chain, and again another popcorn, 4 double crochet, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3. 2 popcorns again on each chains. One, 2, 3. I have a feeling I'm not going to use up all of the yarn, because there's plenty here still. Well, I haven't finished the motif, so but that's what it looks like. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, my throat is so dry. 2, 3. Okay, and then again we're going to skip this one, so we have 3 sets of popcorn, and we're going to do the last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back, grab it from the corner, 1, 2, 3, and then the last popcorn. 2, 3, 4. Grab it again from the corner, and 2, 3. Okay, we're going to jump here, so I'm going to increase my chain to 4. We did 3 prior, because this part is decreasing, right, to become the pineapple. So again, the middle parts will be 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 3 chain, 1 single crochet, 3 chain, 1 single crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to repeat what we did here. So we're going to make two popcorn here, and then jump one, two popcorn, jump one, two popcorn, and then continue crocheting. This is how it looks like so far. So I will see you at the end to join. I have finished row 8. Now I'm going to be attaching and crocheting row 9. 1, 2, then make 2 popcorns on this chain. One, two, three, and another popcorn. Total of 4 double crochets. 3 and 4. One, two, three. Okay. Okay, so we are here at this moment. So we're going to do 2. We're going to do 2, and then we're going to do 2, 2. Oh, we already did the 2s. Oopsie. Okay. Yeah, we're going to do 2, 2, and then in the middle we're going to do 3, and then 2, 2. When we do the 3 in the middle, that's how we increase. The previous row would be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and then the last row would be 3 in the middle. Okay, and here we are decreasing, just like that. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Delicate. This one is delicate than the green one. And of course it's smaller because of the yarn being fine. Okay, so we chain 3, and then we're going to jump here and then make 2 sets of popcorn. Just like this. I hope you understand how this motif is done. Like, it's not hard at all. It's not, it looks like it is, but it's not. It's very easy, and it's really fun to crochet it. So 3, and then the 4. Go back onto the corner and slip stitch. 2, 2, 3. Okay. So this is the middle. This is where we're going to make 3 popcorns. So 4. Grab it from the corner, slip stitch it, just like this, chain 3, and then make the second popcorn, 4 double crochets. Just like this, 1, 2, 3. Two. Grab it from the corner. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we did our third popcorn, and we're going to jump to the next chain and then make 2 sets of popcorn. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Double crochet, go back to the first double crochet, slip stitch, 1 2 3 chain, and again on the same chain make 4 double crochets. Go to the corner, grab it, 1 2 3 chain. Okay, so we did our 2, and then we're going to jump where the 2 sets of popcorns are. Then we're going to make 2 sets of popcorn. So this is all to it on this row. So continue crocheting and then chain 4 and then do single crochet, 3 chain, single crochet, 3 chain, single crochet, and chain 4, and then just repeat what we did here, and I'll meet you to join the row. Okay, so I have went back and recounted. This is the 9th row that we're ending. Sorry about that. So 9, 10, 11, we're almost there. Slip stitch, chain. So we're gonna, this is how it looks like. So for the 10th row, we're gonna do doubles. Double here, double popcorn, double popcorn, double popcorn. We're gonna skip this one. Double popcorn, double popcorn, double popcorn, and double popcorn. Okay, so 1 2 3, and that chain is considered as 1 double crochet. So I'm just gonna go back here and slip stitch this. 1 2 3. So I don't want to repeat myself. We're just doing popcorns, that's all we're doing. So I will do the popcorns and I will come back to show you how it looks like. Okay, so I did 2 popcorn, 2 popcorn where the 2s are, and I am going to, just didn't want to waste time on doing the popcorns, as probably by now you know how to do them. So I'm going to skip this one and I'm going to make 2 popcorn here, and after that, after the 2 popcorn, I will make 2 popcorn here. Okay, and I will skip this one as we did here to make 2 popcorn here, and then we're going to jump here to make another 2 popcorn. In between there's always 3 chains. So I will let you do the popcorns because that take times, right? 4 double crochets, 3 chain. Okay, so I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so I would like to show you how it's done. 2 2 2 2, and I skipped here, did 2 2, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to chain total of 5. We chained 4 because this is getting tight here. I don't want it to be tight, so I have 3 here, 2 more, and then I'm going to do single crochet, 3 chain, and then make a single crochet, and then make 5 chain. And this is how it looks like. Okay, and I'm going to continue making the corners like this, and I will meet you here to finish. This would be the 10th row, finishing the 10th row. Okay, so I'm almost done the 10th row, and oh my goodness, just wanted to show you how it looks like. Oops, this has been folded. And this is the one that I'm working on. Pretty good, eh? Okay, so I did 2 2 2 2 2 2. So what we did is we did 2 2 here, and then we did 3 here. So what I'm going to do on the 11th row, let me just finish this before I go So I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, single crochet, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to do slip stitch, chain 3. Okay, so I'm going to be repeating not the row below but the previous row, so 2 rows but bottom. As you can see, there's 3 popcorns in the middle, so I'm going to do 2, I'm going to do 2, I'm going to do 2 here where the middle is. This is the middle. As you can see, this is the middle. We're just following. So here I'm going to do 3 popcorn, and then from there I'm going to do 2, 2, 2, and then we're going to chain 6. Okay, so I'll meet you back on the part 4th.